Today I decided to take a ride out to Lampasas, Texas, and I came across a pretty unusual car lot that has cars for sale from the 50s, 60s, and 70s. It was so cool I decided to make a special video out of it. So, welcome to the channel, and if you like what you see, please throw a like on the video and subscribe to the channel because it would really help me out getting my content out to everybody else who needs to see it.
Railroad tracks. So we're going to slow down a little bit. You never know what a railroad track is like. It could be the bumpiest damn thing in the world, or it can be the smoothest thing in the world. Oh, here's some old cars. Let's ride through here and look at these cars. Martin's Rod and Custom. Let's see what Martin has here on the lot. Has an old Chevy Impala. I don't know what year. Ooh, he has a Cadillac car. He has a Dodge right there or something. No, that's a Thunderbird. That's an old Thunderbird. There's a Cadillac car. Very nice. Convertible, too. What's that? A Ford El Camino? Or was it a Chevy El Camino? What's the Ford called? Everybody knows better than me. An old 70s vet. Let's go look at him from another direction. Ford Ranchero, that's what the Ford is called, a Ford Ranchero. So let's go up here on the sidewalk and look at the fronts of these cars. There's the 70s Corvette, that's pretty nice. There's the Ford Ranchero. There's a Cadillac, probably a Sedan DeVille with 2 doors.
Ooh, I meant to say El Dorado, but Sedan DeVille came out.
That's beautiful, look at that. There's our Ford Thunderbird. And there's our Chevy Impala. Pretty cool. Okay, now let's get the hell out of here. I don't know what this is. That's from the 50s at least. What is it? Ford Fairlane 500. Look how huge it is. I mean, it's like a tank. Let's look at this Ford Fairlane 500 up close. Look at that. Look how huge it is. Look how long it is. Damn, it's beautiful. Okay, we're going to turn around one more time because I saw another car back there. There's a few old trucks. First one's a Ford. Another Ford. And I only know these are Fords because I can read Ford on them. Let's see what this car is. Some kind of Lincoln Continental right there. What is this? Lincoln? Pretty nice. Big. Long.
And that was pretty much what happened on my ride out to Lampasas on the CanAm Ryker. I got to see all those pretty old cars. Thanks for watching. Come back again and don't forget to subscribe.